Adjusting your column heights and widths are important in Excel because they could be data that is hidden between the sizes of the sheets. So let's look at column C over here, and you can see that some of the data has been cut off. So Catherine Dale is the full list, but now instead of going up here and double clicking, which most of us would do, let's Control Z to come back to that. We can select our data and automatically adjust our column width. So let's select our column, let's go to Control and spacebar, then we go to the shortcut Alt H O. That brings up the formatting box right here, and you can see all the options that we have here. Now we can do a particular column width, we can do an auto fit column width or a default width. The default width is the width that Excel first opens up with. We want to adjust our column to auto fit the data that's in there. So let's click I, and you can see that the data has now opened up column C to fit the names accurately. Now let's go once again here to row number 8, and we do the same thing here. So let's click on the shortcut Alt H O, and again it brings up the formatting box right here, and we are now going to adjust the right height. So press A, and you can see that the height is now adjusted. So let's go through this, and we can do this all in one go if your data has many different height and width issues. We're just going to go to Control Z to go back to the beginning. Now to highlight the whole table, it's Control A. You have everything there. You can do Alt H O I to adjust the columns, Alt H O, and we are going to go to A, and that adjusts your rows and your columns very, very efficiently. If you want to adjust the row to a particular size, so let's say you want this to go up and down, as you can see you have your pixels here and you have your height here. So let's just, as an example, go to 25. Well, as you can see, it's really irritating because it doesn't stop at the right place. Now say that we want it to be 25. We simply go once again to Alt H 0, and we can now do a particular height. So press H for a particular height, and the row height we want it to be 25. Press OK, and now that adjusts it all to 25. Now you can use this as well for column sizes, rows, and the same process. Alt H 0, column width, default width, height, and then height as well. You have all of the cell sizes right here.